All right, happy Monday, quarantine day, whatever for all you folks. This is our last week of new stuff, and it's a pretty easy one. All right, first up, 12.4, multiplying by a monomial. Remember, monomial means one term. And so by one term, this 2x, that is a monomial, okay? So really all this section is about the distributive property and distributing something, okay? Pretty simple. Let's go through some of these problems now, all right? So if we look at that first one, that first problem, so we'll do W. Let's get this all situated. We got W times 4W plus 3. Okay, so if I'm multiplying by this monomial, okay, all I have to do is take that and distribute it to all the terms inside the parentheses. Pretty easy. All right, so I'm just going to say W times 4W. And then W times 3W. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Okay. So W times 4W, that's just going to be 4W squared. Because remember, the squared means I have two W's. And then plus W times 3, 3W. That's it. That's the whole problem. It's the whole section. Okay? All right. Let's go on to the next one. So the next one is, we have negative 4x times negative 2x plus 5. All right, so again, we have our monomial, which is negative 4x, multiplying these two terms. Okay, so this times that. So now I have a negative times a negative, so my resulting answer is going to be a positive, okay? 2 times 4 is going to give me 8, but it's positive 8, remember? And we have two x's, so x squared. All right, and now we're going to do the next term. So we'll take this negative 4 and multiply it by 5. Negative times a positive, so I will have a negative number. 4 times 5 is 20, and we have an x. Done. Okay, so that's it. If you just take some steps, take it nice and easy, this is really simple. Okay? All right, let's see third example. Let's go. So the third example is we got, this one's got a trinomial. So we got 3k times k squared minus 2k plus 4. Okay? All right, let's start this again. So again, remember, all we're doing is distributing this one term, this monomial. So I'm going to say this times this, okay? They're both positive, so my answer will be positive. 3 times 1 gives me a 3. Let's fill that in. And I have 1, 2, 3 k's, so that's going to give me k to the third. That's my first term. Now we go to the second term. Now we're going to say 3k times negative 2k. So I have a negative times a positive, so my resulting answer is going to be negative. 3 times 2 is 6. I have 1, 2 k's, so that's going to be k squared. And my third and final one, we're going to take that 3k, and we're going to multiply it over here by the 4. Okay? Positive number and a positive number gives me a positive number. 3 times 4 is 12. We have 1k. That's it. That is 12.4. It's, like I said, a really easy section. Let me give a quick once over the homework in this section and see if there's anything that looks really tricky. No, there's not. So that's going to be it for this. Well, you know what? Let's do one of the homework problems. We'll skip down to number 9. Okay? So let's skip down to number 9. It's another trinomial. Just so you see another trinomial. Get my purple pen out. I like to use colors for this because it really helps to see what's doing what. All right, so number 9, we have p times p squared minus 4p plus 1. Okay? I'm just going to go through the same steps I've been doing this whole time. We take the p times that first term, both positives, no numbers in front, so 1 and 1. We'll leave into the 1. How many p's do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, so I have p to the third. On to blue. So I'm going to say p times negative 4p. Negative times a positive is a negative. 1 times 4 is 4. 1, 2 p's, so we have p squared. And last we have pink. So we're going to say pink. Positive times a positive, so it's going to be positive. P times 1, or sorry, 1 times 1 gives you 1. 1p. That's 12.4. Short and sweet. It's a pretty easy section. The next one gets a little trickier. So here we go. That's it. Stop in here. Start the next video in a minute.